Do you want to be a star? In the past, becoming a household name or celebrity required a lot of skill and even more luck. But, with the power of the internet, getting famous is easier than ever. Just think about how many stars got their start online. There are more and more people every day becoming online stars and ultimately making a lot of money in the process. Whether it's the money or just the prestige of being famous that you're after, you can get started on your path to stardom today. I've put together a step-by-step guide that makes it easier than ever to become an online star. Click the link below now. Right now, if you're looking to get famous online, YouTube's where it's at. YouTube has made a lot of average, normal people extremely famous. Just think about some of the household celebrities out there now that got their start on YouTube. YouTube is powerful. If you know what you're doing, because YouTube has the power to make you rich and famous, almost overnight in some cases, I've put together the ultimate guide to becoming a YouTube star. Click the link below now to get your hands on this step-by-step guide. Have you heard of YouTube? Unless you've been living under a rock, you're familiar with YouTube. YouTube is big and getting bigger. Right now, YouTube has over 1 billion users with several hundred million hours of video being watched every single day. That's why Google invested in YouTube. They paid $1 billion for YouTube because even Google understands the power of online video and that it's getting bigger by the day. Google knew that online video is just going to keep getting bigger. What if you could leverage that power to become an online celebrity? The good news is, you can. Other very normal people out there are doing it, and you'll discover the exact steps to become a YouTube star. Click the link below now to discover how you can get started on your path to online stardom.